One of the hardest things to learning Python is just getting a good, reliable Python installation that you can have confidence in and it's easy to run code with. It's taken me years to find something that I like and that I'm comfortable with and that works for me every time, and I'm going to share that with you today. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, we're going to be installing this on Windows 11. The software I'm using is all cross-platform, so it should also work for Mac and Linux. We're going to start out just by going to Google, and we're just going to search for Miniconda. We're going to be using the Anaconda distribution, which is Miniconda. It's a lightweight version of Anaconda, super easy to install, cross-platform, and it just works. So we'll go to click on Miniconda, the documentation here. And once we get to that web page, we'll just download the installer for our operating system. I'm on Windows 64-bit, so I will install this here. Now, we're just going to install this. I already have one installed. I'm going to install it again so you can see what it'll look like. Now, as this is installing, I just want to let you know that I have video tutorials for this up on my website, geospatialschool.com. There's a free course there that has more to do with installing Python. So it'll walk you through installing Miniconda, Python environments, the basics of environments, the basics of installing packages, and also how to set up Miniconda and Python to work with Visual Studio Code, which is a great IDE that will help you just write code faster, better, and cleaner. So if you want to check that out, just go check out geospatialschool.com. It's free, no cost to join that course at all. Our downloader is just about installed here, and once it is, I'm going to run it. Okay, just finishing up. One download in progress. Done, there it is. So let's just open that up in a folder here. I'll pull that over, it's right here. I'm just gonna run this installer. Slide this out of the way once it goes. Okay, so my installer is now pulled up there. All I'm gonna do here is click next. I'm going to agree to the license terms. I'm going to install for just me. And I'm going to install at the default location. It tells me to choose a different location because I already have this installed. I'm going to do 3-2 and I'm going to click next. Here, I want to check all the recommended boxes. So I have 3 boxes checked. I want to create a start menu for shortcuts. I want to register Miniconda 3 as my default Python, and I want to clear the package cache. And when you have this, click install. I'm not going to click install because I already have it installed on my machine. But once you do that, you can click install. It'll go through the installation. When that's done, you'll have another window pop up that says finish. Just click finish and you're good to go. So I'm going to cancel this. Now let me show you how to access your Miniconda installation. So if we go to the Windows Start menu, you can just start typing Anaconda or Miniconda. And you'll have this Anaconda prompt right here. And you can just click on this. And this is going to open a command line interface, which we have here. Now, zoom in a little bit. And what we can do is if we do, if we type Python, this will tell us our Python installation information. You can see I have Python 3.10.10 because I have a little older version than you. And you can see here that I am now typing Python code in an interactive session with these 3 arrows. I can type quit here to exit. Okay, and that's all there is to it. You now have Python working. I'm going to stop this video here for now, but that's how simple it is to install a working Python distribution. Once again, check out that course so you can see how to hook this distribution up with an integrated development environment, and I'll also cover that in a YouTube video in case you don't want to go check it out on the website. Thanks for watching, you guys.